Hello viewers, a warm welcome to my new series that is based on Oracle database. Oracle database plus PLSQL. So in this Oracle database we will see about PLSQL. So this is the first part. In this first part we will see about SQL commands. In this SQL commands I am pre-contextually saying that I am not going deep dive into the topic. I am just giving a brief revision about the topics. You can take it as a mind map if you are just revising the course. At first we have the SQL commands are divided into five languages. First one is data definition language commands, and we will shortly called as DDL. In that, at first we have create, alter, drop, truncate, rename, purge, flashback, and yes, we have these commands. We have these commands associated with us. Of DDL commands, we have these 7 DDL commands with us, and yes, just give me a minute. I am just reordering it. So after that, we have data retrieval language. We have data retrieval language command, not commands, because it is the only command we use, that is select. And then we have data manipulation language commands, and in short form it is DML. In this DML we have insert, update, delete, merge, insert all. Insert all is a command, and then we have transaction control language commands. We have 3 transaction language commands: commit, rollback, and then we have save point. This will be used to transaction of to control the transactions of the transactional of the command, TCL commands. This will mostly used in database like banking databases and more. We can see this about these examples: commit, rollback, and save point. And at last we have data control language commands. We have just 2, that is grant, revoke. And in this SQL commands topic as well, we will cover another topic, that is SQL operators. So SQL operators, I am not going deep dive into it. I am just covering the types of operators. We have arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, special operators, set operators, Then we have concatenation operators. These are the operators we have in Oracle. This is the end of part 1. We will see more in part 2. Thank you.